welcome back. So today is a get ready with me birthday yap session, birthday girl edition. So basically I'm getting ready to do my makeup for my birthday week and I'm just having fun with it. I'm not gonna really wear this makeup look, but if you want to know, is that my birthday is August 19th and I was born in the year 1993, which means I am 32 years old this month. This month I will be 32 years old. This year I will be 32 years old. So I'm just working on my brows, It's been a minute since I've done my makeup, so it's my birthday. This is not like a traditional, like a typical, tutorial or anything, which I really do need to get into doing these tutorial style, content for you guys, because I had people ask and say that they want me to keep doing makeup, but they really want to learn how to do eyeshadow from me, and I was like, oh, okay. So I guess that video is gonna be something about eyeshadow tutorials, and these are the palettes that I was thinking about working on with my look. I wanted to do something purple, and this one pretty much I got the Tarte Reflections palette, and I'm using this primer from Essence Makeup. That Essence palette and that primer from Essence Makeup, that one I bought those two on the website. So if you want to get those, they have it on their website. I hope they do sell them in all the stores like Ulta or on Amazon and everything. I usually get my makeup from Amazon because there's certain things that I get on Amazon that I don't find at Walmart or on Ulta. So it works out for me. I was going through dermatitis for a while, for months. Like, I was supposed to get this fixed last year, so that's how long I was dealing with it. Like, I would wake up and my skin, like around my lips and my, nose area would be so dry, like just dry like a desert, and just scabby and, chapped and everything. You couldn't tell, but if you could, they were so pink. They weren't even the color that it needed to be. Yes, I changed my shirt. I forgot to mention that, but during the switch up. But I do like the red shirt. I just been wearing a lot of red, so I thought let's change it up a bit. And I wanted to wear this mesh, long sleeve polka dot, shirt. Only in the house though, cause I do like mesh. I do, but only in the house right now. And yeah, it's cold enough, and I got this shirt from Shein. Those earrings that I'm wearing is from Shein. That product that I have in my hand is from SheGlam, which you go on the Shein website or the SheGlam website to get it. You can even get it at Amazon and everything. But back to the dermatitis. So I, was dealing with that. I wanted to do more lifestyle content. That's what, the whole name, This Is Life, you gotta show some lifestyle in there. Like a mix of what I love, like who I am and everything, like what I love to do, and and show my life a bit, just a little snippet of my life, nothing too too over the top or anything. It's just my life. If I could, I keep repeating that, but so I gotta get into that. And I thought self-care would be the perfect one, because beauty and self-care tends to work two and two and everything, and it's just something that I like to look at on YouTube. So it's like, I've been a YouTuber before I started putting my face out on YouTube, and it's like, well, maybe I should try that content out, because I love that content, and maybe God is saying that people could use someone like me, like I could be useful in the world of social media, like YouTube and everything. I'm also on TikTok, but I'll share all my socials at the end. But I'm on TikTok and I'm on Instagram, and I'm just learning. It's all practice, and I've been learning. Like this channel in particular, I had it started in 2023 of February, but right now I'm starting in December 2024, because I decided to start it over, and I made my first video talking about why I started over, and that it's okay to start over if you know what you gotta do to get to where you need to be. At first I kind of felt discouraged, because the amount of subscribers that I had was wasn't as slow as it is on this channel, but the slow and steady pace always wins the race, and one day I will get to where I need to be. Even if I don't get to where I want to be, I'm gonna make sure that I'm always going to do what I'm supposed to do, even if people don't like me. But there's people that actually do like me, and compared to the views that I had on my other channel, I'm not mad at the views that I have now. And that product from Revolution Beauty or Makeup Revolution, this setting powder, isn't Banana Deep. This is a great setting powder dupe for, I can't even call it a dupe, but if you don't want to spend a lot on Ben Nye or Sacha or something, I don't know why I said Sachi, but excuse me, you then try Revolution Beauty's loose setting powder. It's very inexpensive. It's like $8 or $9 and stuff. So I like to get that stuff on Amazon. You can get it at Ulta. I mean, most of the time you usually get Makeup Revolution from Ulta, Amazon, and everything on the online website of Ulta. Okay, let me stop. I'm just trying to fit, words in to make this video longer, so please forgive me on that. I'm not usually much of a talking person, but when you get to know me and and you are someone that I really like to talk to, I could be a chatterbox. Even if it seems like you're not annoyed to me, you might be annoyed, but it would just be in a good way, just like tone it down a bit or something. But yeah, and I repeat a lot of words, which I will be deleting out. So yeah, the makeup brushes I get my makeup brushes from Amazon. I'm just happy to be 32 doing my birthday makeup. The last birthday makeup video that I did, no one really saw it too much. But the way I was on the last channel, I kept deleting things all the time. So people were trying to give me a chance. And then that's why I always feel discouraged, because I'm back on here putting out long form videos. And I don't know how many people have seen me, on the long form sides of the content in the search bar, to be like, maybe, we'll give her a chance now, like if it's the same people. But I realize it's a big world. It's billions and billions of people out there. So it's gonna reach to somebody. So excuse my rambling, but that's the whole point to this video. It's a yap session or chit chat, get ready with me, birthday girl edition. I like this outfit. I really do. I like this outfit a lot. And I don't want to talk about food, but I really like this outfit. This outfit is cute, but not for the summer. Not for where I live. I live in Arizona. I've been seeing some people that are from Arizona or moved to Arizona doing content in Arizona, but I haven't seen them in person. But they are out there, and I'm so happy that more people are coming out here to see Phoenix, Arizona, are filming themselves coming here to have a good time in Phoenix, Arizona, because it's a great time to be in Phoenix, Arizona. But summertime, yeah, it's a hot time to be in Arizona. But if you come in the cooler times, you'll enjoy it just as much as the hot times. We don't have a beach, but they say we have a beach, but it's not that kind of beach. But so I decided to do hair content, but I always come on here like an expert, but I'm not an expert. But I'm brave enough to be like, hey, I want to do this, and I just keep practicing, showing y'all how to do things or give y'all ideas. And I realize if I can give y'all some type of idea to want to create something or learn something, or learn a technique, then I think I'm doing a good job. I need to give myself a few extra backs on the back and everything for that, because not many people can do that, and it's cool, and I will do it. Though I need to get into the makeup tutorials. Sometimes I get shy and everything, because I never taught people, like a wide audience, to people that will be willing to listen to me teach them the same things that everyone else on here are also teaching. But I'm like, what sets me apart from everyone else is the question. And this lip product that I have, I'm using, Wet n Wild, and this is Wet n Wild's Catsuit lipstick. I only get this at Amazon, and don't worry, all the links will be in the description when you get this video. And the settings, oh yeah, and then this Revlon, you know, lip balm, super glass shine lip balm. This, I paired it with Glaze Mauve. That's the shade of the lip balm, and it's beautiful. And this setting spray, yes, gotta top it off with that. You don't sleep on the face glue setting spray. And this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram as Desus Live. I didn't put Facebook, but you can follow me on Desus Live as that too. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and supporting. Bye! I love emoji, so leave me a heart shining emoji.